Justin, put it in the box.
How's your project doing?
Well, it's done for now. But I can keep my dogs out.
Oh, good luck with that.
We put a little fence around it, but every time
They go right around there.
well, they stay out, but they get a pollen every once in a while.
What kind of dog?
Not the black dog and the yellow.
Oh.
It's cinnamon crunchy. I like that.
Most people don't even know anything about it.
Whoa, look at that. You got it.
I found
Amazing.
one.
Bad boys.
I found it.
What it is, I just grabbed it. I guess it's bread. It's a round bread.
I saw her pop her head up. It's in bamboo. Oh, where's Lauren? No, maybe that's her cat. That's Lauren's cat. Is Lauren? She's the sweetest. Does she have a calico? Yeah, I think so. In that little area. Okay, it could be yours. Okay. It was inside the.
So here's the, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself, about Electricare, how solar works, real basic stuff. We'll talk about Kathy's system, leasing and purchasing, how it works, and then why solar is getting really popular. I've been in the business, I'm not going to go through all of this, but in 1978 I started in solar back in Michigan, believe it or not. Solar works there, it's just you have to add more panels because it's cloudy. So it works fantastic, and I've opened a number of companies in and out of California area. Electricare, I've known Electricare for years. For a couple of the startups that I did, we would use Electricare for all our difficult installations. Eddie's is the owner of Electricare, and his business model is unique. He's the installation company for all the other companies. So he does most of his installation. He's one of the largest installers in California every year for over a decade. And so for me, I had a lot of trust in him because he's the go-to. There's only one way to do it the right way. He uses no subcontractors. And my father was a contractor, and his famous saying was, if something goes wrong with us, there's only one throat to choke. Solar PV, how it works, it's simple. I'm not a technical guy, so the way I always think about it is that solar power electricity, any electricity, just flows to the path of least resistance. So during the daytime when the sun's out, it's overproducing power enough. The house doesn't know any different. As soon as you have enough power, it just flows backwards through the net meter, which tracks both coming in and going out, and it goes back to what we call the grid, which is the power lines. So you're getting credit during the daytime when it's overproducing, and then at night when it's less expensive, that's when you're buying power back.